Actors Randeep Hooda and Lin Laishram will tie the knot in a short while from now. Randeep Hooda arriving at the wedding venue and the beginning of the rituals. Well, as you can see on your screens, Randeep Hooda dressed in the Meitei attire, and as the traditional fervour can be seen all around in Imphal. Earlier rituals began at the bride's residence with Lin Laishram taking her meal at parents' residence. This was followed by other Meitei customs and traditions which both the bride and groom. He said that he felt respectful to come and marry in Manipur in the bride's tradition, and he also said that he have heard about the Meitei love marriages. He wanted to experience that, and he said that the groom has to sit for a very long time and he wanted to experience that. So that is going to happen today when Randeep Hooda has to sit for a long time, because this is what the Meitei wedding ritual is. And of course, he also mentioned that he is, of course, looking forward to do all the ceremonies and the traditions, and he wants to experience